Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. In this chapter, we'll focus on dial plan and call routing. Endpoint addressing is a way of reachability of internal destination provided by assigning a directory number to an endpoint. When a Cisco phone registered to call manager, the only way you can address that particular phone is by assigning a directory number or an extension. It could be 2-digit, 1-digit, 4-digit, any length that you want to have. Directory numbers are assigned to endpoints such as phone, fax machine, a voicemail port, auto attend number, contact center ports, so and so. The directory numbers, the number of extensions required generally will determine the length of the directory number, the digit. For example, if you select 2-digit extension, so the maximum number you will have will be from 00 to 099. So you only limit it to maybe 100 or 200. Whereas if you want more, you need 4-digit, 5-digit. So longer the length, the more numbers you will have. DID's numbers for inbound PSTN calls can be mapped to an internal directory number. For example, if somebody dialed 1416-839-1717, you can convert this number to 4-digit extension. There are in terms of endpoint dialing, you have on-net dialing, off-net dialing, and every bit of dialing. On-net dialing is when you dial from one extension to another extension that are registered to the same call manager. Any number that are registered to call manager, if you dial them, is typically an on-net dialing. Off-net dialing is when you want to dial from your 4-digit extension to 11-digit number in PSTN. So that will be off-net, something that is above your network. Every bit of dialing is like from on-net to off-net. For example, let's say you hire a consultant from an outside who's working from home. Now you assign that person an extension 4001 or 5001, but that user does not have an IP phone. He's working from home. So what he can do, that 5001 can be converted to his home number by using a translation. That is called every bit of dialing. The users pretend to be inside, but he's really an outside the network. E.164 is a standard by ITU that defines the telephone number as a whole, which is ITU basically the organization that is responsible for managing the telecommunication numbering plan. It defines the format of a telephone number. An E.164 can be maximum of 15 digit. The plus sign is used to indicate that the following digit represents the international numbering format. If the plus sign cannot be dialed, then user must dial an international access code such as 011 or 0